What if it's important?
I sweated blood at that airport for 12 hours today, and what's important to me is I have just one moment of peace with my family enjoying a delicious home-cooked meal. Is that too much to ask? I'm not answering. Shit. Murphy residence. Oh, let me tell you something, you goddamn son of a bitch. I don't need a goddamn engraved family Bible. You see? What I say every goddamn time. I am eating dinner with my family, young man. I don't need a $25 Bible to teach me about God. I almost bled out in Korea, all right? I have met God. What did you just say to me? You come down here and you say that to me like a man. I swear to God, I'll pull your tongue out through your goddamn neck. Why do they have to put the goddamn things on the wall?
Frank, calm down.
Yeah, Frank, calm down. Calm down.